This is Lenny Farley, Purdue University Extension Forester. Now let's ID that tree. In this edition of ID That Tree, we're going to revisit one of our trees we've talked about previously, and that's Eastern Redbud. Eastern Redbud, as you may remember, has alternate leaf arrangement, simple leaves with a heart shape and entire margins. But what really sets it apart is this beautiful show of spring blossoms. And this is kind of the typical color we'll see in Eastern Redbud, a pinkish to lavender with a little bit of hint of white, a little bit of hints of pink and lavender, typically showing up in early April. This tree is actually a member of the broad bean family. It's a legume, and so if we look at those flowers, they do suggest kind of a small sweet pea flower. However, there have been a variety of selections for both flower and leaf color on redbud, and so we get some nice variations. This really nice, deep, dark, pinkish red color, and in some cases we can even have what's known as white bud. And so there's a variation that has white flowers. And so you get a really nice color palette with this common eastern tree, typically found on the outside edges of woodlands or disturbed areas, but will grow in the understory, although typically doesn't flower as nicely. Another characteristic for redbud is the tendency for it to produce blossoms even along the stems and main trunk. And these occur from buds that are present there that'll pop into bloom in the spring. So Eastern Redbud, one of our best early spring blossom producers, and lots of different colors to select from.